So if you're just starting out and you are thinking about using an OER resource and you're really not sure where to begin, a place like lumenlearning.com is a very easy website to use. It's set up by content and course, and I'll give you an example and show you what they have. So I've only used this section here where you can search their course catalog, and what you do is you can look for your area of content. And for me, I click on social sciences. And as you can see, there are a bunch of different actual courses that come up. So specifically, I chose Intro to Psychology. And I just wanted to view the course content and the outcomes. So what was nice about this is it was an entire course set up with various reading materials, videos, question banks, just to give me an idea of what I was hoping to use versus what I was already using. So what was nice is I didn't have to embed this entire course into the learning management system. I could just pick and choose what areas I wanted to look at and to see if those met my needs. I also was able to compare and contrast some of the assignments that they had and see what assignments I was using and if they looked more interesting or more up to date, and then kind of compare. And what I did was I just picked apart the first chapter that I had used previously with a textbook, and it was very similar to all of the instruction pieces down here in Psychological Foundations. And I thought, oh wow, this is what I already have, but these are all free areas that that I could import directly into Canvas. And what I did was I just cut and pasted parts of the reading and just made it so that it was touching upon exactly what I wanted the students to learn. There were I don't specifically use the questions down here, but I have used other resources that have come with some of the readings. And then from there, I've kind of gone on to chapter 2 and looked at what do they have here in terms of research. I've already liked a lot of the things that I've used for research assignments, but it was really great to be able to look and see what was out there, and it was all in one place, so it made it a little bit easier instead of picking apart the content and looking all over the place. So this is just a good area to start if you haven't used any OER resources before and you want to see what an entire course that already has OER resources in them looks like.